In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Framer to Figma, a process you can accomplish in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening up your browser and searching for Framer. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you're already working on a project or have one in mind, you'll want to make sure it's published. Publishing is essential because we're going to need that live URL in just a moment. After publishing, copy the live URL of your website. This URL will be the key to transitioning your project into Figma. Next, let's shift our focus to Figma. Open the Figma community, which is a great resource for additional tools and plugins. Here, you'll want to search for and install a Website to Figma plugin. There are a few options available, such as HTML2.design or Visual Copilot, each with their own features, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Whichever plugin you select, the main goal is to make sure it's ready to help you transform your Framer project into a Figma-friendly format. Now, with your chosen plugin installed, open a new or existing Figma file. Once you're in, you'll need to open the plugin within your Figma file. It's typically found in the Plugins section of your Figma workspace. After opening the plugin, paste the Framer URL that you copied earlier into the designated URL field. This step is crucial as it links Framer's project directly to your Figma file. With the URL pasted, find the Import button within the plugin interface. Clicking this will kick off the process, where the plugin begins to convert your Framer project into a layered design directly within Figma. It's incredible how these tools simplify the transition and grant you access to all the design intricacies of your project without manually recreating them in Figma. Once the import process is completed, you might notice your design appearing as a large main layer in Figma. At this point, take a moment to resize or center it if necessary. For a more organized layout, there's a helpful option within many of these plugins to use Auto Layout. Enabling Auto Layout can help structure your design's components more dynamically, ensuring everything is aligned and positioned correctly. It's a neat feature that can save you significant time optimizing the layout to mimic what you had in Framer. And there you have it, a simple pathway to move your projects from Framer to Figma efficiently. With these steps, you're all set to take your design work seamlessly between these two powerful platforms. I hope you found these instructions helpful and that you feel more confident transitioning your future projects. Thanks for watching,